This is Divya, Assistant Professor, Biomedical Engineering Department in SMS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about pulse height analyzer. What is pulse height analyzer? From the name, we can identify that pulse height analyzer. We are going to analyze the pulse height. Okay, pulse, the input pulse or an output pulse which is to be generated or an input signal. That pulse height will be analyzed. What is pulse height analyzer? Basic function. What we are going to see is that basic functions: single channel analyzer, time methods, multi-channel analyzer. Okay, basic functions: single channel analyzer, time method, multi-channel analyzers. Single channel and a multi-channel. This is an analyzer where we'll have a count rate, full energy peak to be identified. When the full energy peak will be found is that when we have 140 kilowatt. Okay, scattered radiations. In the image we can identify it is a scattered radiation, and we'll have a full energy peak when the electron volt is about 140 kV. Okay, selective counting of only those pulses within a certain amplitude range makes it possible to restrict counting to a selected energy range and to discriminate against background, scattered radiation, and so forth outside the desired energy range. Okay, it is going to identify the background scattering and background image, scattered radiations, and so forth outside the desired energy range. We'll be having a particular energy range, right? Not only but if it is go beyond the particular energy range, this pulse height analyzation process will be done. A device used for this process is called as pulse height analyzer. A device which is used for identifying this background radiation, scattered radiation, and outside the desired energy path outside radiation is called as pulse height analyzer. A pulse height analyzer is used to select for counting only those pulses from the amplifier falling within a selected voltage amplitude. Okay, this pulse height analyzer counts only those pulses from the amplifier. The amplifier output will be given to the pulse height analyzer. Okay, the pre-amplifier output, as I told you already, will be having a pre-amplifier circuit next to the photomultiplier tube. Okay, that pre-amplifier output will be fed into the pulse height analyzer. When this pulse height analyzer will analyze the amplified selected voltages, amplitude intervals or channels. This is done only for only one channel at a time. Okay, this is done only for one channel at a time. This device is called a single channel analyzer. Okay, this is done only for one channel at a time. We'll be having many intervals of voltage amplitudes, intervals or channels. This is done for only one channel at a time. This device is called as single channel analyzer. A device that is capable of analyzing simultaneously within the different intervals or channels is called as multi-channel analyzer. The channel which is analyzing for a single time is called as a single channel analyzer, and capable of analyzing simultaneously in different angles is known as multi-channel analyzer. Okay, what is the basic functions of the pulse height analyzer? The amplitude of output signal is proportional to the energy of radiation even detected. Selective counting of those pulses within certain amplitude results in counting of selecting energy range. Okay, wow. Selective counting of those pulses. Selective counting of pulses with certain amplitude. Will be having certain amplitude that to be counted to certain pulses which is generated. Results in counting of selective energy ranges. Okay, particular range, particular radiation, that will be selected, that will be counted as a selective energy range. A certain energy range or interval is called as energy channel. Certain energy range or a energy or a interval is called as energy channel. Generally, what is pulse height analyzer is that the height of a particular pulse to be modified or to be analyzed, and it will be passed on to the next one. We'll be having two types, right? One, it is done by one channel, and another one is done by multi channels. This is called single channel analyzer or a multi channel analyzer. These are the two types of pulse height analyzers. Thank you.